afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. I just want to say my apologies if I didn't continue the vlog. I forgot to end it. Yesterday. Well, not yesterday. Did I miss a day? Oh shoot! Did I miss a day actually? Hold on. Did I? Did I? Forgot. I gotta check. Nope, I didn't miss a day. I know it's kind of confusing. It's confusing to me a bit, but I've been doing it every single day. But yeah. Anyways, I forgot to end it from yesterday's vlog. I understand. That was in the gardening. I get it. So yeah, that was the gardening. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. So that was the gardening. Came home, bought some gardens. Bought some plants, vegetables for planting. And no. Yeah, he's right here. He just wants scratch, but I told him no. Anyways, guys, yeah. I forgot to end it. I ended with a good note. But the thing is, I made a mistake. When I was doing the edit process, I don't think it went up properly. So it's supposed to have a good ending, but it's okay. I saved it. So yeah. For this vlog, today will be about what should I say? Today's vlog, I guess. The noise, I guess. Today's noise. What noise is that? Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what kind of noise is that? Could be anything, right? In my room, could be like a fan. It could be just heater. Could be anything. With shooting scratch. Hold up, I'll show you something. You see this? This right here, that's where they did my surgery. Right there. Right there. That's where they did it's itchy. That's where they did my surgery. I told you guys a while back, I didn't video it or anything, but yeah, that's where they did my surgery for taking out this, like, it's like a lump, I guess. It's like a zip but growing inside, so it's kind of gross. So I told you guys in the last previous vlog. So yeah, Saturday's vlog, that was the best vlog I've ever did. One of the best, but I know there's gonna be even better one from that one. And yeah, that was the best. My apologies if I didn't put the volume of the music down a bit. I'll do it as always, bring it down lower since I'm testing it. That's why. And the song was kind of same. I put it to 31. I think I have to put it to 20 background. I'm trying to cut some of the halves and just hear us, our voices. So stay tuned for that. There might be another hangout this month. We're trying to make it a 4-week hangout back to back. It might start on the 28th of May. It might start earlier, but yeah, or it might start in the 3 weeks of the hangout. But I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, so that everything's good. We can hang out on the 28th of May, and straight on to the 18th, I guess, 18th or 25, but we'll see. Um, there's a reason why we're doing this, hang out for 4 weeks, but nothing yet. Hasn't been confirmed, but I'll just let you guys know. And yeah, so just stay tuned. More vlogs, of course, getting interesting, of course. Food. Oh, just to let you know, we might have a pizza vlog, I guess. And if we do that, I'm gonna be making some playlist for it, so stay tuned for that. Um, yeah, because we're gonna be testing different kinds of restaurants that cook pizza. And yeah, I think we did a. I didn't. Oh yeah, I didn't do a vlog of Austin Pizza yet. I had the burger, a good burger, but the pizza I think to test it. I had to do a vlog about it. I think I did. Wait, of course I did a vlog of the Austin Pizza, but this time will be much more better setting, much more explanation. This time the guys that you saw make it much more better. I'll do another vlog regarding pasta, I guess. If we do decide we have the sushi already, yeah, I'm going to make it good. There's another setting, sushi, that we might try when our favorite sushi place is open, because that's like our favorite place of some sushi. It's cheaper yet extravagant and tasty, and this is awesome. And we know, we just know the prices, we know everyone there, so of course you're gonna see us every time we go there and have sushi, so it's gonna be the best. It's just still under renovation. My friend, check it out, it's around 50% done, should be around 60% right now. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I forgot to post my friend, but check out on my Facebook page. We end up doing some voices, we end up doing funny videos on downtown. You guys saw my downtown vlog, which I did Saturday with them. I'll be another. So guess down in the comments, guess what this noise will be. I'll show you the answer tomorrow, and we'll go from there. It's a very sunny day, as you can see, but regarding noise, I had to talk louder. So yeah, this is gonna be my catch up for today. I guess I'll see you guys in the next vlog. If I get to talk about else right now, continue. Currently, I think he's enjoying it, with the sound of it and sparing it. Yeah, I think lightness of the air. So yeah, so I'll put a link for my friend in the description for Facebook. Put another link for other friends Facebook. Of course, I'll put my link. So stay tuned. If I don't, I kind of forgot, but I'll try to leave a link, and we'll not try to leave a link for there, so you can check out their YouTube channel, or you can check their like page. My friend only has a Facebook, and my other friend only has a Facebook, not Facebook, like page. Well, not okay. My friend has a Facebook like page. My other friend only has a YouTube channel, so I'll put a link for both of them down in the description. So yeah, as always, you can check me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course Google Plus, and of course my main channel on YouTube. So you can check it there. I do not have FaceSnap. I don't have others because I don't use too much social media apps. So of course, I'll say it again: YouTube, Google Plus, Instagram, and Twitter, and of course, don't forget my Facebook like page. You can check me there. Those 5 places you can check me there. And yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun, stay safe, enjoy, and live life to the fullest, guys. I'll see you guys pretty soon in the next vlog. And yeah, stay tuned for more adventures. I know I put a lot of well, the edits I can't really edit too much because the one I'm editing it that I'm using right now, I hope you guys understand, is MacBook Air. So for another laptop, I don't think so right now. I prefer using the MacBook Air because it's Air. If you get that joke. So yeah, hope you guys understand. I know my edits are not that good, but yet it's my I just want to save more room for the gig because my computer crashed and doing those edits and like that. So I hope you guys understand about that. Yes, I'll be doing vlogs. Yes, I won't be that interesting of a vlog for edits, but yeah, I'll make it more interesting. And yeah, make the vlogs more interesting. So see you guys pretty soon. And yeah, the answer will be for tomorrow. What that noise is, you guys probably know already if you're watching this. Leave down in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys pretty soon. I know I talk a lot today, which is good. As you can see, very sunny day. And yeah, that's it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys pretty soon. And take care. And peace out, guys. Love you guys. Peace out. Right here.
Bit, bit,